Good morning, everyone, and a happy Friday to you. We are finally there. Friday, weekend ahead. It's looking beautiful outside. Not a big surprise. We are in San Diego after all. Over the course of Wednesday and Thursday, we know a lot of people woke up in the morning and said this doesn't exactly feel like San Diego. Frost advisory in effect, sub-freezing temperatures in some cases, but it was because of clear skies. So now as we head into Friday, we saw a lot of clouds develop yesterday, and with the clouds that we have overhead, it's helping to keep our temperatures a little bit more moderate overnight. So what the cloud cover essentially did was help to act like a blanket for us, keeping some of the warmth from Thursday afternoon. And now as we start off Friday, we're keeping that in play. Inland, we were 10-15 degrees warmer than 24 hours prior. So it was a stark transition, but we're going to be warming up to a pretty similar range. More 60s expected by the afternoon. Clouds are abundant out there, but they're not going to be all that dense. So it seems like we'll get plenty of sunlight beaming on through, maybe some filtered sunlight at that, and then broken cloud cover into the afternoon and evening. Temperatures still making their way to the mid 60s, low 60s closer to the coast. This trough of low pressure has been quite a menace to us all week long. We earlier in the week, really Monday or so, expected that this could bring us some rain into Sunday. But take a look at its path from Saturday into Sunday. It brings a little swipe of moisture to us, but it's so weak going into Sunday night and Monday that it really doesn't bring us much of a threat. Looks like it'll skirt off to the east, maybe a quick bout of moisture over the mountaintops, but not anything significant. The more significant round of rain coming our way is going to sink in from the north. This trough of low pressure is very cold, and take a look how Wednesday to Thursday we've got plenty of rain from LA all the way down through San Diego. That snow level dropping down to a mere 3,000 feet. It's pretty low for us, so it means that some of our lower mountaintops could pick up on dusting. We see it with much more strength than the previous trough of low pressure. So again, it starts up as early as Tuesday night into Wednesday, and it looks like it could linger all the way through Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday. Our rain chances daily kind of paint this picture for us in a little bit of a better fashion. Today, your Friday, all the way through Monday, we hold a minimal opportunity at rain. So very low out there. But as we go from Monday into each day next week, that probability of precipitation climbs. Our rain chances climb. 44% on Wednesday, 43% on Thursday, and then you see that line starting to climb. That gives us the hint that into Friday, we may still see some more rain on the way. For the weekend, though, it's going to be mild. Clouds start to break apart for tomorrow. Saturday looks like it's a mostly sunny day ahead. They'll reconvene on Sunday, partial cloud cover. But again, temperatures don't do much fluctuating. So looking at these afternoon highs, if you see 66 for today in Carlsbad and Escondido, you can expect something very similar for Saturday, Sunday, Monday before we start a cool down beyond that. So these temperatures are just around average, if not a few degrees shy of average. We'll keep that in play all the way through Monday. Relatively stagnant temperatures for your afternoon highs. Overnight lows are going to be mainly in the 40s out there. Otherwise, many spots are still expected to drop down to the 30s at times. And then Tuesday into Wednesday is where we start to see that transition take place. Rain could start Tuesday night. West winds develop. Right now, easterly winds are helping to keep that warm, dry air overhead. So that's what's leading to that bout of 60s out there. But going into next week, that's where that cool, humid westerly wind is going to come into play. Showers start up by Wednesday. It looks like they'll continue all the way through Thursday and Friday. Again, for now, it does seem like that snow level is going to drop down for your mountaintops, and that could lead to some snowfall, maybe a mix of rain and snow out there. Otherwise, when we do see those overnight lows in the 20s, there's a much better opportunity at that coming in the form of just snow. Deserts are going to be in the 70s for the weekend, pretty comfortable out there. Notice that big drop in temperatures from Tuesday into Wednesday will drop down to 60 degrees from 73 as of that afternoon high. And then more moisture in the forecast going into Friday. Again, early next week is going to be a great opportunity to join us to get a more in-tune idea of how this rain is going to appear. We right now on Friday are still 4 or 5 days out from this chance of rain. So early next week is going to be a much better time for us to fine-tune what we expect. We appreciate you being with us here for a CBS 8 Plus extended forecast. Have a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.